This is the engineering approach. To plan and manage the project, I use agile methodologies supported by work breakdown structures and Gantt charts created using Project Plan 365 and Excel. This has allowed me to break down the development into manageable sprints and track progress effectively. Agile planning works very well in managing time and scope, especially with the multiple features to build in the stage. The work breakdown structures and Gantt charts give me a visual clarities of the workflow, deadline, and test dependency. For the architecture, I use MVC pattern to spread content, making the application easier to maintain and scale. Each component model controller view was kept modular, allowing individual update without affecting the whole system. On the development side, I use Eclipse IDE for writing and managing the Java code with Spring Boot as the core framework. Spring Boot was chosen it repaint development capability and wide community support. It became embedded server support and built-in dependency, which reduced the setup time. Eclipse as an IDE was comfortable, stable, and integrated well with Git plugin. I use MySQL due to its uh, reliability, open source natures, and compatibility with Spring Boot. I use JPA API for database interactions and MySQL as the database. Lastly, for the testing, incorporate JUnit for testing, JMeter for performance and loading testing to ensure the system behaves under stress. Testing is a curable. JUnit allows me to validate key functionality like property posting, user registrations, and booking logics. For the version control and collaboration, I use Git and GitHub throughout development. I commit my code frequently on GitHub and use branches to isolate features. This is not only maintain a clean version control but also enable easy robust and collaboration. During the planning, I consider using the Kanban methodology instead of Agile Sprint. However, I choose Agile because it allows for better time-bound delivery, and Kanban is more suitable for ongoing sport-based projects and not fixed feature development like mine. For the version control, I consider using Bitbucket, but GitHub was easier to integrate with Eclipse and more widely supported for public project sharing, especially for academic review. I also look into a monolithic architecture without MVC, although they would have been similar for a small project. It would have highly tidy coupled my logic and UI. That would have made testing, scaling, and maintaining the app much harder. The MVC approach I choose make each component independently testable and reusable. For the testing, some developers prefer to heavily on Microtik, but I use JUnit. Finally, I briefly consider using Node.js with my MongoDB as an alternative tech stack. However, since my project was data heavy and require a relational integrity, especially for lawyer booking and ownership checking, MySQL was a better fit than not NoSQL database. Thank you for listening.